Welcome back to today's episode of Rich Has Customs, and today we're twin charging the AU Falcon. Nah, just kidding. Today we're putting on a new turbo on Naughty, a new rocker cover, and ironing out a few bugs, slamming the dog, cutting the springs. We are basically just getting this thing skid ready for Rocky Nats in 2 weeks. So we've got a lot on, got a bit to do, so I think we're going to start tearing this thing apart and getting it all ready to do some fat skids. So I think we should get into it. As you can see here, I have a brand new Max Speeding Rods turbo. This is their Street Performance GT45. So that means this dog has a billet compressor wheel. How fat is that? Meant to have 10% more power than that dog. So they sent me this one. Slap this puppy on for Rocky Nats. It's gonna be fat. It's gonna make some choo-choo noises, I can guarantee you. So how fat is this? Like, look at the size of it. Like, so we're gonna put this dog on, and we've got a brand new rocker cover with a new AN-10 fitting welded on in a different location, so my drain has a better routing. So thanks to Toby from Insomniac Race Creations. I'll tag his Facebook down below. Definitely check him out. He does some mint custom fab work. So we're going to get into that. We're going to run through the cooling system that I've upgraded to as well. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking now because you guys are probably bored, and we're going to start tearing this AU apart for the first time since putting it on. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. Moments later, Bob was dismembered. That was relatively easy. Now this is all off, I'm going to have a general look around the engine, make sure it's all happy, looking good. By the looks, it really looks a-okay. So we've got the new gasket gluing onto our new rocker cover because it is an absolute pain in the ass to get these rocker covers on with these silly gaskets. If you know, you know. They just suck. But that was really easy. That was like 15 minutes and it's all apart, ready to go. So yeah. But don't forget, if you do want to cop a Rich Has Custom shirt in time for Rocky Nats, make sure to head over to the website and order a shirt now. I've only got a few left, so go over. It's the last run until I get another run of merch coming. But that'll probably be later down the track. So if you want to secure a shirt, I'd suggest head over to richhascustoms.com and cop a shirt. It really supports me, supports the channel, and it makes this stuff happen. So definitely go check that out. But now we're gonna put the new rocker cover on and hook up everything back up. That didn't sound very English, but we're gonna keep it anyways. Woo! Oh yeah. That's how it's done. Ooh. I am a big fan of wrinkle red. That's so hot. Rightio. New rocker cover is on, all tightened down. Catch can lines are all connected up. Now I'm just going to test fit up the turbo because we've got to clock the turbo and I've got to work out a new drain pipe. Hopefully I can reuse the old one, just reroute it. but we're going to put it all up, test fit it. Tomorrow morning I've got to go and race over and get a V-band clamp so I can weld that onto the turbo, and then once all that's done we can almost put it back together and be done with it. Engine wise, I'm going to take the spark plugs out, give them a clean because they're probably filthy as. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. It's looking good, to be honest. Now, what you're about to see, I can't exactly recommend you to try at home. So for legal reasons, do not try this at home. But if you do, then, well, good luck. Make sure to wear appropriate PPE, like earmuffs and a Chinese squint. That's what I'm going to do. So, take notes, but don't try it at home. Alright, the rear is slammed. The front is still stock. I don't know if I should leave the back slammed and the front stock just for like the sick slammed spec. I don't know. I think I might just chop one coil out of the front. The rears I did about 1 1/4, so got to work out what I'm going to do at the front, but it looks so much better with it lowered at the back at least anyways. So, nice. Alrighty folks. She's back together. I punched out a heap of work during the week. As you can see, it's the next week. I have a mow now. I'm growing that out for Rocky Nats. So yeah, the AU is all back together. She's looking schmicko. Gave it a clean yesterday. New spark plugs yesterday as well. So we are on track to making Rocky Nats a successful mission. But have a gander. She is looking absolutely minty. I'll give you a quick walk around now that she's all clean and tidy. Don't mind my washing machine, alright? Everybody calm down. But here's the engine bay. This is how it turned out. Turned out absolutely clean as... Looks awesome. I really love it. The new Max Spinning Rods billet wheel turbo. So far so good. Haven't really run it at all, so we'll give it a run. We'll probably back it outside so I can take some photos of it. Because she is looking pretty clean at the moment with the chop springs in the back. Looking really good. And we come to the inside and it's just pretty clean. I cleaned it all out. Looking good. Put the rear seats in the back because I am taking the whole family in the AU on the street parade. So definitely you'll see the AU on the street parade Easter Friday, Good Friday. It's going to be awesome. I think it's about midday. So definitely check out Rocky Nats website because the AU is going to be in the Burnouts and Street Parade. So if you come see the AU, come have a look, come say good day, and it's just going to be an absolute awesome time. So I think I'll give her a start so you can listen to how good she sounds, and yeah. Someone say the cheekiest cold start ever. Let's give her a rip. In neutral. Let's go. Wow, that belt squeal just cooked my ears. God, that's insane. I need to fix that. Alrighty folks, that'll wrap up today's video. Naughty, she's all ready to go. Got the new turbo, we've chopped the springs, cleaned the interior, back seats are in. I did adjust the sway bar to make that more tighter. So, fingers crossed, she's going to pass scrutineering on Tuesday, and after Tuesday, it means we are doing the street parade on Friday. So, definitely stay tuned. There's going to be some mad videos on Rocky Nats coming up in the next week, so stick around, it's going to be awesome. Make sure to check out the website, I've got a few shirts left and some stickers, so go check that out. Leave a like, make sure to subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers. Old Bud's mowing his lawn. How good.